Sheikh, if a man wants to get married and he found a good practicing woman and he wants to get married to her, but his parents don't give their consent because they want him to marry a woman of their choice who might not be good for his deen. So, in this case, can he disobey his parents and marry without their consent?
First of all, we are ordered in Islam to obey our parents. And the Prophet had said, alayhi sallam, that the father is the middle gate of Jannah. And he told us that a man must give his good companionship to his mother 3 times, and one on the 4th to his father. Now, having said this, it is an obligation upon every Muslim, man or woman, to be dutiful, to be respectful and obedient to their parents, and to be patient and tolerant to whatever abuse they may express or show. Now, having said that, a man is obliged to choose the wife of his liking, not to his parents' liking, because he's the one who's going to be married to them or to her, not them. And he is obliged to provide the woman with a separate accommodation where she is not obliged to see his parents or to serve them or his siblings, etc. So this is the basics in Islam. It is not permissible for you to marry someone whom your parents are forcing you to marry if you don't like her, if you don't fancy her. Because I do counseling sessions. I've been doing this for a while with the grace of Allah, and I see the amount of problems after marriage from such choices. The guy says, I'm married for 5 years. It was an arranged marriage. My mom forced me to marry her. I did not like her. I was interested in marrying another woman, but they refused, so I accepted. Because they forced me to do this, they mentally blackmailed me. Now I have 3 children, and I can't live with my wife. And I just can't look at her. I can't be intimate with her. So the guy is putting a scenario where he leaves no room other than divorce. Now, what is the fault of this poor woman to be a single mom with 3 children? Oh, my mom ordered me. My mom forced me. If you are a mommy's boy, don't get married. If your mom tells you what to do and what not to do, and you're still suckling milk, don't get married until you are grown up. Marriage is a responsibility. You take a woman into this affair, you take care of her. You become her rock. She depends entirely upon you after Allah Azza wa Jal. If you fail to do this, you're sinful at the sight of Allah. Having said that, for you, Yusuf, to get married, we have to look at the circumstances. If you want to marry someone who's righteous and practicing and from a good family, but simply your parents or one of them is not accepting, we have to look at your circumstances. Are you financially independent? Yes, I am. Can you get married without their financial help? Yes, I can. Can you provide a separate accommodation for your wife? No, I can't. So you want to marry someone whom your parents don't like and bring her to their home? Forget about this. That is an actual nightmare for your mom and for this poor girl. So don't even think about it. What to do? Either convince them so that they willingly accept, or wait until you can provide a separate accommodation for your wife. Or compromise and agree to marry this woman, bearing in mind that you're stuck with her forever. So you have to walk the talk and try your level best to please her and to make it happen and may Allah Azza wa Jal make a way out for all of you.